Tired of dealing with a slow laptop that's holding you back? The NIMO 156 FHD IPS was basically built to fix exactly that. I remember those days when I'd be working on a project and just couldn't seem to get anything done because my laptop was taking too long to load, or my files were freezing up on me at the worst possible moment. It's like your entire workflow was being slowed down by something that shouldn't even be slowing you down. That's why I'm so excited about the NIMO 156 FHD IPS. With its powerful AMD Ryzen 770-735HS processor, it can handle anything you throw at it. Whether you're working on a complex data analysis project, editing high-definition video, or just need to get some work done quickly, this laptop has got you covered. But what really sets the NIMO 156 FHD IPS apart is its display. The stunning 15.6-inch Full HD immersive display provides crystal-clear visuals that make it perfect for extended remote work sessions, online learning, and even streaming your favorite shows at home. Plus, with its classic 16:9 widescreen aspect ratio, you can get lost in your work without any distractions. And let's not forget about the storage and memory. The next-gen DDR5 RAM and high-speed PCIe 4.0 SSD provide near-instantaneous boot times, rapid application loading, and effortless file transfers. It's like having a supercomputer at your fingertips. But it's not just about raw power. The NIMO 156 FHD IPS is also designed with portability in mind. The ultra-portable design weighs under 1.7 kilograms and measures just 19.2 millimeters in thickness, making it easy to take on the go. And with its versatile 180-degree lay-flat hinge, you can easily share your screen with colleagues or classmates during collaborative group projects. Another feature that's worth mentioning is the AMD Radeon 680M graphics. Perfectly suited for light gaming, smooth photo editing, and high-quality casual entertainment, it's a great way to enjoy your favorite hobbies on this laptop. But what really puts the NIMO 156 FHD IPS over the top is its durability. With a comprehensive 2-year warranty and a hassle-free 90-day return or exchange policy, you can shop with absolute peace of mind knowing that your investment is protected. So if you're tired of dealing with slow laptops and want to take your productivity to the next level, the NIMO 156 FHD IPS is definitely worth considering. With its powerful performance, stunning display, and portable design, it's the perfect companion for anyone who needs a reliable laptop that can keep up with their busy lifestyle. Check out the link below to get the best price on this amazing laptop. It's an absolute game changer for anyone who wants to stay productive and focused all day long.